All right, team, so up next we've got our scapular stabilization. This is also thoracic stabilization. We just call it scap stabilization. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, is with this ball, I've got 4 kilos. Doesn't need to be heavy. You can use a firm ball as well. This is just your standard wall ball medicine ball or plush ball. What we're gonna be doing first up is we're gonna be laying down on the ground. We're setting those shoulders down, everything's locked on. From here, we wanna get the ball between the legs and up roughly 90 degrees. I'm squeezing in as hard as I can. I'm laying down, those palms are facing up and they're pretty much directly out to the side. I'm now pushing those palms down, squeezing my shoulder blades together. And from here, I'm going to rock over to the side, keeping everything locked on, and I'm trying to get as close as I can towards my palm. I come back to center, and then I repeat. The whole time, as I'm doing this, I'm trying to stop this shoulder from popping up off the ground. So I'm squeezing as tight as I can. I'm pushing down with those palms. Come back to center, roll over like I'm trying to touch my hand, and then moving back. We're gonna go nice and slow with this movement, team, making sure that core stays locked on, those palms are driven down into the floor, and those shoulders stay depressed, squeezing the scapula or the shoulder blades together. Everything's locked on. This is going to be great for doing stuff before, say, a squat or any type of exercise that you do need to bring the entire body into. This is also fantastic for any sort of upper body session, for your push, your pull sessions, whatever that might be. It is a great warm-up exercise.